Hello, good morning everyone. Hope you all are good. This is Nilanjana Vera and today we will be working on a leaf bowl. The material required are Shilpka talc, spray bottle, any color or fabric color, rolling pin, cutter, brush, leaf and a bowl. See, in the first step we need to mix this mold, which is the Shilpka. It is actually a white clay which becomes almost permanent once it's get dry, and these are great to work with the smaller clay objects or any kind of decorative piece which you want to make it. So they comes in this two components. They both are in separate packet, and you need to mix them both in a equal quantity. It's not necessary the entire pack will be used, but whenever you're taking it, it should be in equal quantity. Right now I'm making in leaf bowl, so I need 3 packs, and it's completely dependent upon how larger or the bigger you want that object to be, and the quantity will be according to that. See, this is the halfway mixed clay. It will still show you some of the marble effects which you can just observe it, and you just blend them when all the lines and details of that clay will be invisible, or they will be in a single form. The clay color will be in a light gray white tone. See, in the second step I'm just spreading one plastic sheet on my tabletop and just sprinkle little talc over it, so when I'm gonna use that clay and the rolling pin, so it will not stick on my surface of both. So I'm just using the rolling pin and gonna roll it just to create a flat surface according to the size of the leaf that you should maintain, and it should not be too much thinner because I'm gonna make a bowl, so it will be last little longer. So just try to adjust the leaf size how much larger you want it, and if you want then you can just spread out a little. I'm again checking it, and you can see the details of the leaf. This is wonderful to use a real leaf because all the veins are there and a lot of detailing is there, which you can make it, but still if you have a real one you will be getting more details of that. So now I'm sure about it that the actual size is fine, so I'm going to cover it all and again just place the leaf and just roll it once so that it properly placed on that clay. So don't overdo it because it's already a fine thing, so you will be just a little more gentle and try to cover all the parts or the edges of that leaf, and then using a cutter or any sharp tool you just remove the extra clay. Don't throw that, but just try to cut it properly from the sides, and if anything is uneven, just take little water in your fingertips and just smudge that. The extra clay which I'm removing, I'm gonna make a flower out of that, and they stays little longer, so whatever you're making it stays longer. So if you keep it carefully you can preserve it also. Now I took a bowl and already sprinkle little talc over it. So you can also place a plastic sheet over it so that you can remove it. I have just sprinkled talc and it's fine. Now I'm going to leave it for 20 to 25 minutes and with the leaf so that it adjusts well and doesn't change its shape. See, after 20 minutes I can remove it and it comes out so easily because I have already sprinkled those talc over it, and look at the details and the veins which have been created. It leaves all the impression and they are so beautiful. You can see all the fine details of it. Now my final product is ready and I'm going to use a silver paint. You can also go for with the acrylic paints if you don't have spray, but I like to do it with silver because it's all festival, so I'm going to use it on my tabletop. And one of the options that you can use it, you can keep some jewelries or something after the festive, See, this is the tea light which I can just place it, and I will lit it like this. Thank you for watching and do try it.